Now let's look at the user interface of the digital edition. When you are in the digital edition, you can enter the page number manually or navigate using the arrows. You can view and display either the single page or the double page. You can use the magnifying glass symbol to search for individual words in the book. You can also activate full screen mode or zoom in. You can open individual chapters and pages by clicking the Content button, as well as access the media files, i.e. PDFs, videos, audios, links, and HTML files. You can also filter for media types here. On pages with audio and video files, you will find quick access to all files that belong to the tasks on this page directly above the toolbar. The toolbar provides you with many tools that you can use in your lessons. The pen and highlighter can be used to draw or mark things. The colour of both can be changed. You can insert a box to cover passages. The colour can also be changed here too. You can also create a note. Insert a free text box. And select Page Masking to reveal a page one step at a time. To do this, click on the symbol and select the part of the page you would like to cover up. You can use the eraser to delete your changes quickly and easily. Always click on Save so that all the changes you make using the toolbar are saved. Your digital output in Elango. Individual, flexible, and easy to use.